Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. Welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here behind a desk today instead of in my Model 3. It's Canada, it's mid-January, huge snowstorm going on. I've done a ton of snowstorm videos. So today I'm going to bring you something a little bit different, and I'm going to bring it from here. So I got a great topic today. Let's get started. So today we're going to talk about Tesla DIY. And I'm going to talk mainly about the Model 3, but I'll show you some links for the Model S and the Model X as well. It's because we know that many Tesla owners like to do their own routine maintenance. And a friend of mine actually sent me a link that I had never seen before. It's on the Tesla.com site, and it's about DIY. If you've already seen it already, you could probably bail on this video now. If you haven't seen it, let's take a look at these links and see what Tesla says about some of the DIY stuff that you can do, and let's do it yourself with your Tesla Model 3 or S or X, and they'll give you instructions to go about doing it. Let's check it out. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to Tesla.com, and then you're going to go to a little side window here, or side menu, and you're going to click on, let's see here, support. And then right in the middle of the screen here, you'll see some trending topics. And one is do-it-yourself guides. We're going to click on that. You have a choice, Model 3, S or X, soon to be Model Y, in which case you're going to have sexy. I'm just saying. All right, I'm going to focus on the Model 3 today. So let me click on that link. And here you can see there's a bunch of useful topics around do-it-yourself stuff with the Model 3. And some of them are pretty, basic, right? Restarting the touchscreen, that kind of stuff. There's obviously YouTube videos around doing that. You could watch a YouTube video. But let's just say, you're thought about it. You're lying in bed at night or whatever, and you're scrolling through and you want to take a look at the instructions so that you know the next day or that type of thing, or whatever. So I think it's extremely convenient that this is actually on Tesla.com. You don't have to be in your car searching through the manual in your car for some of this stuff. So yeah, I think this is great, and it's great information for Tesla owners. You can go through the topics and lots of stuff here. There's some complex stuff like replacing the hood struts and the trunk struts, and there's basic stuff like filling up the windshield washer fluid. So in any case, I think this is a great site. I mean, let's kind of just go into one and see what the next pages show you. So it's got a lot of the same information again that you can find in your car, searching the manual there. But you might not want to do that in your car. And here it is on a web browser that you can just scroll through. So I'll just power through a few of them here for you. You can see that it just gives you your step-by-step instructions, some video. I've actually seen some of these videos in the app as well on your phone. So it's great that I think Tesla has given us this content in multiple different ways just to suit how we want to consume it. So I'm not going to go through all of them. I just thought this was very interesting. I hadn't seen this before, so I'm assuming that there's others out there that haven't seen it either. So I'm bringing it to you today from my basement home office because the weather sucks. Thank you for joining. Let me know if you like the studio stuff or you just prefer to see me in the car. Let me know in the comments. Tesla Canuck, over and out.